What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to come to you and give you a nice update on some things with the PASSAT, the CV axle situation, a little bit about, explaining Craig's F-250 and his appearances in videos, as well as, I'm not going to lie to you, I have a list here. I came prepared. Possible future channel plans. I'd like to discuss those today. And the next moves, repairs on the PASSAT. So we'll discuss all these things in this video. So first things first, the CV axle situation has been kind of wild. I ordered it back on the 18th, the replacement for the wrong axle that was initially sent out. And basically what happened is it got pushed out and pushed out and pushed out and pushed out. Now mind you, this was back in January, and it was pushed clean out to February 15th this last time. So I called them up and I decided to cancel my order. And I went on Car ID and I ended up finding this axle for about $40 for the axle, $11 for shipping. So it was like $55, $56 with tax. That was like $1 or $2 cheaper than what I was paying ECS, and it's already on its way to me and should be here tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow or Saturday we'll get another video coming out with the CV axle installation, since yesterday's video was a removal. So with that explained, let's talk about the PASSAT. I'm really torn on what to do with this car. I don't know if I just kind of want to fix it and get it sorted and then part ways with it. I really like the car, but I'm really interested in getting into a rotary. I want an RX-8 touring package, 6-speed manual, all that good stuff. Just to kind of change it up and drive something different for a while. But still have to have 4 seats because kids. Preferably 5. So I may not ever even end up in an RX-8 until I have another family vehicle. Or I can afford to purchase one without parting with the PASSAT. That being said, the next thing we're going to tackle is going to be the vacuum leaks. I want to say the diverter valve to the N249 valve line is leaking, and I already know of one going to the N75 valve that's leaking. So we're going to get those addressed and get everything put back together, most likely in the next video, after the CV axle video. So 2 videos from now we'll most likely be addressing vacuum lines. That could be subject to change depending on my schedule and things that go on in life. So we'll keep you guys posted on that. So possible future channel plans, I'd like to get an RX-8 on the channel. I'd like to boost one and maybe do some drifting, have some fun. Maybe get into some American muscle eventually, but I'm open to all avenues and looking for suggestions from you guys. What do you guys want to see? What kind of cars are you into? We can do a community-based build at some point. That would be a lot of fun to do as well. So let's talk about Craig. Craig is with the channel now, as of our last video with the PASSAT. And I think it's going to be good for the channel, not only because it's nice to have, another set of hands, another mind, another opinion on deck. It's great. I've known this guy for 13 years. He's family to me. And we have this natural chemistry when we're around each other that we're just goofballs and we like to have fun and get things done and crack jokes. So I really hope you guys are enjoying a different dynamic to the video. And I want your opinions on that as well. And we initially shot this video last night in the truck on the way up to ECS to return the not fitting axle, or the improper axle. But it was really dark in the cab of the truck, even with lights on, because I didn't want to use my panel light and blind him because he was driving. So I apologize that you guys didn't get this video sooner. I wanted to get this out to you last night. His F-250, we are looking at doing a couple of things to it. I'm not going to reveal his plans. That's really not my plate of spaghetti to spill, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to let him reveal those plans to you in the next video or 2 that we do. And then hopefully soon we'll be starting on his truck and maybe even picking up a project together to work on. So stay tuned. A lot's going down. A lot of things are changing in life right now, but I think this is really healthy, and I think we're going to have a good time. So stick along for the ride. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get the notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video.